up in South London and that, yeah? Yeah.
Hello, it's me again.
Roxanne's got a beamer. Driving down the street in all white. 13 plate. Yeah, we're doing the bits. Yeah.
Today I am going to check out cars since I passed my driving test. I'm going with Jamila, so yeah, stay tuned guys. We're checking out the first car. Yeah. We're checking out a BMW. We're trying to find it though.
P what? PF6.
PF6. Should I like? Yeah. Is it? Oh my god. Unlock. Jamila. I'm gonna cry. Roxanne. Wait. Okay.
Oh my god, Roxanne, can you buy a car?
Roxanne. It's so good. It's so nice. Jamila! Roxanne! I'm gonna cry.
Don't cry again. Oh my god. Listen. Roxanne, you look nice. You look nice. All I know is that we'll be taking a lot of road trips, yeah?
Trust me.
Always got a bit of that.
Where?
Here, the front.
Oh, that's fine. We can wipe that off. Roxanne, do you like it? I like the inside. Roxanne, get in your car.
Keys in there. Bag in the back.
Yeah. She's got, yeah, it's hers.
I'll search it, is that right?
He wants to see your vlogs.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Subscribe, yeah?
OX.
AAN. Oh, no, not AAN, sorry. ANN. E. That's decent.
Hi guys, update.
So,
got the car. I've sorted out everything. Paperwork's done. Just I didn't take it home today. Unfortunately, I wanted to, but I'm picking it up tomorrow. Yeah, I'll show you guys that obviously. Yeah, tomorrow. I'm excited. Just in Westfield trying to get food.
we're starving.
Yeah. And guys, that whole process is actually so stressful. I did not expect it. If you do plan on getting a car, be prepared.
Yeah.
It's a long process, stressful, a lot of tension. You just feel anxious throughout it.
The amount of times our heart just went up and down.
Up and down. So you got some tortilla, I got some iced tea, Jamila got some Fanta, got burritos. Do you want a snog, Jamila?
Yes.
Let's snog.
Oh, I love a snog.
I got guava, frozen yogurt with strawberries and passion fruit, and she got normal.
With strawberries and passion fruit.
Yeah.
And power.
Wait, it's going in my mouth, right?
No, like this. Ow. The people think we're gay because they're looking at us now.
That's what I'm looking.
You saw them. I was like,
hi guys!
hello.
So we're back next day. Today we're collecting my
car.
baby. Oh! Say hi to the vlog.
What? The vlog was getting a new car?
Of course.
Oh, yo, what's up?
Anxiously waiting. He's pretending to be typing. You're so lucky. You're such an idiot. It's number 7, so it's gonna be on the right. Right. It smells fresh.
Oh, this looks really nice.
Is it making you want a car? He said no.
Hey.
Roxanne.
Enjoy your new car.
Thank you.
I'm very proud of this girl. So proud of her.
I can't lie.
And she's such a good driver, you know. I'm not even gonna lie. Well, I was nervous, but I didn't say anything. But then when I first saw her drive, she's very comfortable. And I was like, whoa. What's that face for?
Stinks. Is it a toilet? Oh.
Well, I don't know what to mean. I think I want it to be a boy though. It is a boy. I'm gonna have a child.
We've been friends for how long now? We go
Us
way
three
back.
used to be like friends with like,
We used to be like this.
we were like 15, 16, no,
We were like
15. How long is that? 5 years ago? No, wait, 4 years ago.
nearly hard. Whenever you used to see her, you would see me and him. Whenever you used to see him,
After I
you would see
received
me
the
and
text,
her.
yeah.
Whenever you used to see me, you would see her and him.
We used to have like so much fun times. Fun times.
And now look at us. One of us is getting a freaking BMW.
One's just like, never leaves the house.
Are
you ready?
That, yeah? Yeah.
Hello,
It's me again. Roxanne's got a beamer. Driving down the street in all white. 13 plate. Yeah, we're doing the bits. Yeah.
I'm gonna run away.
You can't run. This car's gonna catch you, brother. We do skirt, skirt. Hey. And the night time, you see that? Street lights all flooded up and that. You get me? Y'all know the hype. Yeah? Enough, man. Look, hey, yo. Our cars are better than all these. Yeah? Yeah? You man ain't got gallons in your thing, bro. We top up on a daily. Hey, yo. Big man thing. Big man tip. Hey, look, look, look. Budge, budge, budge. This the real deal. Hey, look, you're on a scooter.
I'm done.
Don't indicate, because we're not going to stop, brother.
I'm good. Let's see her new.
That's your car? Wow.
You have a little message for Rox?
Nice car. Nice car.
Are you sure you don't have a message?
No, I look fat right now, man.
I'm about clapped. Your sis just got a car. A BM 1 Series, man.
This whole process of getting a car has been like a whole month, but it's only been 3 days. Got the car on Sunday, vlogged that. No, wait, I found the car on Sunday, picked it up on Monday. And you know, you guys saw me drive it and everything. And then towards the end, it was just stressful. I'm not going to talk about it because I don't want to feel stressed. I don't want it to be like on my mind right now. But just know I don't have my car yet. Right now it's still at the car dealership place. This vlog is turning out to be longer than I expected. Today is Tuesday. Eating my lunch. I'm just, you know, chilling, enjoying life and whatnot. I look out the window and just look at this. Like, look guys, the sky is blue. The sky is literally blue. And the snow is actually settling. So this is the back, guys. Look, like it actually settled on the trees and it looks so pretty. Today is currently 6th of March, so it has been a while since I've vlogged, but basically I had a problem with my car, I had to bring it back. They fixed it, it's all fine, it's all good, the car's been good. Picked it up yesterday and it's been running fine, brought it home, it's all good. I'm gonna drive to work today. I'll kind of bring you guys so you guys can see. Oh, it's a bit cold. Bro. I got a BMW 1 Series. If you told me 5 years ago, Roxanne, you're gonna have a BMW when you're 19 years old, I would be like, yeah, right, in my dream. So happy, I'm so proud of myself. I cannot, like, I don't know, like fam, I'm so excited. I don't know, I feel like life, like a new life is just starting. Like 2018 is starting off real good. Guys, it's also my birthday month. My birthday is on the 19th, so I don't know, I'm so ready for chapter 20. I was so like not excited about it before, but now I am. This is weird, like vlogging in my car. I need to wear my glasses. I usually wear eye contacts, but there's no point of wearing eye contacts for a day where I'm not like, you know, oh god. But I look terrible. This is gonna be so weird. Alright, off to work. Why is the air cold? I don't want it cold. Stop. Off. Yeah, okay. Alright guys, so my camera just kept falling, so I did not film, you know, the whole journey. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm just excited about this chapter in my life. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!